recording.
Hello, my name is Jim Curtin. I'm the CEO of Grid Monitor, and I'm here to give you some more tips and tricks on using Grid Monitor. Today, I'd like to show you the news module. We have this curated news module, which captures ERCOT-specific news information, from our clippings and our curation of the web. We also have our own reporting, original reporting. We have at least 3 reporters actively contributing. Kelso King, Wendell Bell did our legislative content, and Mark Bruce does discussions on ERCOT, POCT, and other relevant trends. So if you wanted to look, for example, for Wendell's stories, you could just put in his name, and that's going to get a lot of Wendell's. So I'll just put in Bell here, and you'll see that that reduced this all down to 41 stories by Wendell on the legislative session. I think these are great reads if anyone wants to find it, but I just put in one word and then I put in another word. I could have put in Wendell Bell here and searched, and I get the same 41 results. If I put in Mark Bruce, I might come up with more because Mark is in reporting himself and has reports he contributes to. So here you're looking at activity by Mark, and Mark has either written or been mentioned in 21 articles. One of the nice things about this is you can see some of the original content that Mark has produced. This ERCOT 4CP occurrence is what we call chart of the day. You can view it here. It talks about the over 16 years of history where we've been able to compare the most common 4CP intervals during the week. So that's a very useful analysis. Back to news. I told you search. You can search for various things, but we also have a filter section. And this filter section is like sections of a newspaper. You can look at just ERCOT, just POCT, just Texas Solar, various other topics. And if you want to go back and see Mark's analysis, we have graphic of the day, and that's what this graphic is. We have 3 pieces in the last couple months. In this 4CP article, batteries plus solar from a workshop we attended and we wrote about. It shows the proliferation of battery. And then this solar planning zones is a very popular one. Make sure I click that correctly. And so this is an amalgamation of 6 or 7 slides with some original analysis and writing and artwork to make it more intuitive. Very exciting. It shows how much solar is in the PECOS and how much is being planned. It's quite a ramp up. And you can get this look at contracts that are already built, contracts that are paid for, and contracts that are approved but not paid for, our applications. So going back to news, let me show you just another example of that. So if we wanted to look at stories about grid security, we can pop this up, and the most recent one was the middle of June, in March, we have a few others, but we have this all specific to ERCOT with these filters and ways to get the information you like. So news is a very powerful feature. We've got original content, curated content, we've got analysis, and I think it's one of the legs of our stool. We have the dockets, we have the news, and we have the searching.